Okay, let's look at the diagnostic tools on the WireXpert MP cable certifier. These are the tools that help tell you where the problem is on the cable. I've got the certification tester set up on a longer link here. Let's go ahead and test. You can see I'm set up for category 6A. I'm going to go ahead and start this test. Super fast test, even with the diagnostic information turned on. There we go, that's a full 500 megahertz sweep. Now this cable is wired correctly, 568B, but I've got a problem with crosstalk, showing us that that's not okay. But we can use this function to actually dig in to the exact build of the cable. It's telling us along this 30-meter long cable exactly where the crosstalk is the worst. So in this situation, the highest peak is right there at 2 meters in. So it's my near jack that is giving us the problem. It has the most crosstalk, and it's even telling us which particular pairs are the offenders here. So if I want to make this cable better, instead of yanking the whole cable out, instead of guessing which termination is the weakest, I'm going to go directly to the near termination, and I'm going to go directly to that 1, 2, 7, 8 pair combination, and I'm going to clean those up. That's a powerful tool for technicians to fix cable on the fly, telling them exactly where the problems are in copper cabling links. This is the WireXpert MP, and this is our next locator option on the WireXpert MP certifier.